Okay, so I'm showing you this super cool screwdriver set. It's 42 in 1, comes in this nice little box, comes with instructions and a charging cable. This is super compact and it's all in this box. And it is really neat because it is spring loaded. So you just push that and it comes out, has all your different bits, all 42 pieces of it. It's all right there. Even comes with the lifters that you might need to get the screws out. And it's so cool because it just snaps right into here. And it's all gonna be just right, ready to go. So you can see that any of these bits that you need just come right off and then they snap back in because it's magnetic. So it's gonna hold all your pieces. It's not gonna fall apart. So screwdriver actually pulls right out. Put your bit in and then it's all powered. So really great, and it comes with a USB charger, so you just need to plug that right into the back and plug it into any USB outlet. So I'm gonna show you how it works. You can use it on tablets, cell phones, toys, whatever you might have. So we can just put it right in here. So these are always a lot of work. You can see it just pulls that screw right out. It's got lots of power, pushes it right back in. These are always great when you're trying to change batteries out. You get it started, comes right out. So super great, handy, very versatile. And the best thing is that it's just gonna stay all together. You're not gonna lose any of the pieces. It's just gonna snap them right in there. Put this guy back in like so, the right direction, just like that. Spring loaded, ready to go. Compact, really nice screwdriver set.